Hello, my friends. I hope this day finds you well. If you're in the market for a flashlight, you might check out the Olight Perun Mini. 90-degree beam, magnetic rechargeable base, pretty cool pocket clip. This thing's got some serious power. For such a small rechargeable light, this thing will go for hours at extreme power. They have all kinds of accessories for it. This is the O-Link, which snaps right to the magnetic base. Carabiner. That's handy. Also available is this head strap. Also magnetic. That's not going anywhere. Pretty fantastic. I love versatility in a torch, and this really fits the bill for me. If you're in the market for a flashlight, you might look into the Olight Perun Mini. Have a great day.